Hi! In front of me is Nokia XR20 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now choose security, click on screen lock and pick one of the login methods by tapping on the chosen one. Swipe pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it. Then draw my pattern, choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap confirm. Over here you need to select how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. Click on one of the options like don't show notifications at all, and when you're ready, click done at the bottom right corner. So now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, come on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!